Looking at my previous videos, we can see we got sine equations or functions. We have a sine b x minus c plus d. A represents amplitude. Okay, b is the period. Okay, amplitude is looking at the maximum and the minimum. So that's key information we need to find. The period is 2 pi over b. Okay, c is our horizontal displacement and d is our vertical. All right, so that's the key information we need to look at when we see an equation. So for example, if I have p of t equals 4 plus 3 sine pi over 4t, we can use the information from above to help us find specific information about this equation, this relationship, this periodic phenomena. Now you can see it's done a little bit differently. The d's at the front. So that's our vertical displacement, okay? We have our amplitude here, 3. And we've got our pi over 4t. That's our period. We don't have a horizontal displacement in this. Now, so our b is pi on 4. Okay? Now, if just say this is t, it's over time, and we're looking at time from 0, t is greater than or equal to 0, but less than or equal to 8. Let's just say this is a population function, and we'll just say it's in thousands. So just instead of having 4,000 plus 3,000, it's just going to be 4 plus 3 sine t. So it's very important when you read questions that you know what it's saying, okay, and what it means. So just looking at this information, we can pick up certain things. So the 4 here is our our vertical displacement. We know when we look at our graph, for example, it starts here. We've got a positive sign, so it's going to go up and then down and up and then down, however the period is. So that's beginning, all right? So if we wanted to find our initial, okay, there's a couple ways we can do it. We can say t equals 0, and I get p of 0. Well, that's going to equal 4. Or in this case, it's going to be 4,000 because the question's in thousands. Or we can just look at it and see that our vertical displacement is 4, so that's where we're going to start. Now, we know our amplitude is 3. So that means our max, is going to be 4 plus 3, which equals 7, or 7,000, because the question's in thousands. Our minimum is going to equal 4 take 3, which equals 1, or 1,000, because the question's in thousands. So it's very important. Once you see the equation and you know what A, B, C, and D are, we can get the information we need to solve it. So the initial population is 4,000, the highest population was 7,000, and the lowest population was 1,000. Now, if we were to find the interval or something, find the intervals in which the population exceeds 6,000, what you would do is you'd use your graphing package. You'd use your calculator to solve this question. You would draw 2 graphs, and one would be the function we got, p of t, and you'd have your vertical displacement in there. And don't forget, we're going to A. A is our maximum. And it would use your graphing package to help, obviously. And it's going to look something like that. Now it's 6,000, so if that's 4 there, max is 7. Okay, minimum was 1. 6 is about here. 6 is about here. So we would go through and you'd see that the lines intersect. So I don't have my graphing package on this device to check, but you would go, your y1 value would be p of t, your y2 value would be just 6. So you have two graphs, and you just find out where they intersect. And you'll see that they intersect. The value here we have is, it'd be between 0.929 time and 3.079. All right. The key part is how you enter this bit here and draw it on your graphing package, all right? It's the easiest way to do it. When you're answering a question like this and you get your answers, make sure you say, using technology. Okay? Thank you.